Hello Python programmers, this is AK. In this video we are going to learn about how to create a QR code scanner using Python programming. Nowadays QR code is a much needed one for doing online transactions, sharing the links and encrypt the data like that. So in this video we are going to create a Python program that is used to scan any type of QR code and it redirects you to the link that hidden in the QR code. So in this video we are going to capture the QR code in the real time through the webcam of my PC. Before starting this video, you need to know about how this process is going to work. Firstly, you need to open your webcam and you have to run your Python program to make it ready to scan the QR code. You can take any QR code picture on your mobile and show the picture in front of your webcam. It correctly identifies the QR code that presents on your screen and this program redirects you to a link that hidden in the QR code. Okay, so this is the process of how this program works. Before starting to create this program, do like, share, comment and subscribe. These things will motivate me to produce more good content in Python programming. Let's start this video. First, you need to create a QR code. You can take any QR code, but in this video, I want to show you how to create a QR code using Python program. For creating the QR code, you need to install a Python package. We all know how to install a Python package in command prompt. For this script, you need to install PyQRCode package. Okay, so open your command prompt and install PyQRCode package. And the next one is you need to install another package that is called PyPNG. This library is used to save the QR code image in the PNG format. After completing the installation process, first import the QR code and PNG library. From the QR code, you have to import the QR code function, okay, and then create a variable called a link, and in this variable you need to insert the link that you want to hide behind the QR code. So next, call the instance pyqrcode.create and inside this object pass the parameter link. And the next step, you have to mention the format of the image that you want to save the QR code. Okay. So we finished the first part of the coding and we successfully created the QR code. Next, we are going to create the QR code scanner for scanning this QR code. Okay. For creating the QR code scanner, you need to install the OpenCV library on your command prompt. First, you need to import OpenCV and web browser library. The CV2 is used for scanning the QR code through the webcam and web browser is used to take the URL into the browser. After importing the requirements, we need to start the camera for capturing the QR code. For that, declare a variable called cap and in this variable, pass the instance cv2.videoCapture. The next process is we need to create a variable called detector and in this variable, call the object cv2.QRCodeDetector. This object is very useful one for capturing the QR code in the real-time process. Okay. After finishing that step, you need to create a while loop and in this loop, create a variable called image. And this loop will read your webcam screen continuously until this loop breaks. After declaring the loops, next create a variable called data and this variable is used to decode the QR code. If any data present in the QR code image, it will break the loop and it opens the link in your browser. So this is the condition that I inserted here. Okay. So finally call the object cv2.imageShow. This will produce the output. and you have to assign the key to break the loop. Here I assign the key that is called Q. When we press the Q, it will stop the video streaming. Okay, and then you have to create the variable. In this variable you need to call the object webbrowser.open, and inside this object and pass the variable a in this object. Why we are passing the variable a means it actually holds our URL data. Okay, so that's all about the script. Now let's run this program. So you can see that our program works well. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give a like and subscribe and share for more interesting scripts in Python. Thanks for watching and thank you. See you on next video.